Can you give us your definition of an AI agent? How does it
Yeah,
differ from someone who just uses ChatGPT or like Claude Cowork?
think of an agent as like some job function or some job to be done that's doing it on like a repeated cycle, right? Say, for example, like a great way to explain this is like you're trying to write a blog post, and so you're like, okay, let's find target keywords. I'm gonna research those target keywords, like what's ranking on page one of Google currently for that keyword. And then I'm going to put that into the context of, the like ChatGPT. I'd like literally just copy and paste it all in and then be like, okay, write a, 2000 word blog post based off of this, for this target keyword based off of the source material that I provided you. So the human is basically going through that like prompt chain to get that output. And what an agent is doing is largely that exact same process, but instead of, basically a human pushing it step by step through, it's just running that process for you. And then typically what we like to see is like when it has some type of like larger thinking loop. I think that's where it's probably more sophisticated. So it's like, yeah, it made the content, but and it published it. It's looking at the live data stream. Okay, should these posts are working most effectively from like a customer acquisition?
So it's more of the full cycle that the agent is able to take on versus you saying, okay, do this and then do this and then do that. It's able to do the entire process with, it sounds like more of the human, we're seeing it versus managing it and running it.
Exactly.